So in this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit the currency when sending money to someone here on PayPal. So once PayPal is opened up for this example here, I'm going to go to the top left, press on the three horizontal lines. Then once you're on this page, you can go ahead and press on send to a PayPal account. Now, once you're on this page right here, you can send to a contact by enabling your contacts, or you can go to the top and search up a name, a username, an email, or a mobile number. So I'm just going to go ahead and select someone. So now that you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and select how much money that person is going to be receiving. So for example, if you were sending someone $10, where it says they receive, that'll be the amount, and how much you'll be receiving is how much currency that you're sending. But you can also send this to how much currency they're going to be receiving. So for example, if I was sending Canadian dollars to USD, that's how much money it would be. If I wanted to send this in, I don't know, Australian dollars, you can go ahead and do that. If you wanted to send this in, let's just say, for example, I don't know, what's another good example? How about the euro right here? You can go ahead and see how much that would be in regards to euros. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to edit currency when sending money to someone on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.